carry on.
Gotta hand it to Baird. He does good work. Whoa. Definitely a different place back here.
Welcome to the New Hope Research Facility. I'm Niles. Please, let me know if I can be of any assistance.
Is that a recording?
I think so.
Actually, I'm not just a recording.
What?
Please, do come in. I'll tell you more about the facility.
Okay.
Looks like some kind of workers' quarters.
Or internment camp. Man, this place just reeks of wrong.
Our facility maintains the highest possible standards, I assure you. We take great pride in our work here.
I'm sure you do. Command, this is Delta. Do you copy?
Roger, Delta. What do you got?
We're in the facility, but it's got a few surprises. And I don't think it's abandoned.
Well, it should be empty, Delta. What do you see?
Not seeing, hearing. Some guys controlling the security systems.
Hostile?
Annoying.
Sounds like you have it under control, Delta. Keep us posted. Command out.
Don't open the door. Let all the wretches through. There's another room overlooking this one. Let's see if we can get a clear shot first.
As you can see, we maintain the highest standards of security at New Hope. After all, one can never have too much security. Can one?
Security system deactivated.
We take great pride in the cleanliness of our facility. Filth will not be tolerated. Thank you for helping to maintain our facility's stellar standards.
If this is what you call stellar, you need to raise your standards.
As you make your way through our facility, do let us know if you encounter any conditions that do not meet our standards. We aim to please at New Hope. Yes, we do.
Security system enabled. Security system deactivated. Security system deactivated.
Security, like cleanliness, is next to godliness. Don't you agree?
Is this guy for real?
Security system deactivated.
just keeps getting weirder.
We take great pride in our facility. Filth will not be tolerated. Thank you for helping to maintain our facility's stellar standards.
Scratch one grub. Oh yeah!
Security system deactivated.
Marcus, you there?
I read you, Baird. What's up?
Coast is still clear, but looks like this weather's taking a turn for the worse.
Roger that. I'm trying to make this quick.
Good empirical scientific research is the foundation of any civilized society. We'd be savages without it. Filthy savages.
Who's next?
Security system deactivated.
You think they kept POWs here?
From the Pendulum Wars? Doubt it. This place is set up to keep people out.
As you make your way through our facility, do let us know if you encounter any conditions that do not meet our standards. We aim to please at New Hope. Yes, we do.
Oh yeah! Next.
Marcus, this is Baird. Weather's gone to shit. Feels like Razor Hell's on the way. If this keeps up, we're gonna have to head inside.
All right, get out of the storm. We'll get back there as soon as we can.
Wilco, Baird out.
We're gonna have to split up. One of us needs to power down these turrets.
Who gets powered down duty? You or me?
Okay, Dom, get ready.
The COG obviously
All
doesn't want
right,
anyone getting
go.
in here. This security's insane.
Oh, I assure you, our concept of security is quite sane. It's one of the cornerstones of our fine society, after all. Along with proper hygiene, of course.
They got a real fun house down here, don't they?
Holy shit. Definitely not POWs. What the hell are these things?
Some kind of stasis tanks. But what's in them? Those aren't wretches.
I don't believe that you have access to this part of the facility.
Access, huh? You sure you want to go through that routine again?
Proper access will prevent unexpected and most unpleasant occurrences. I assure you. After all, we don't need you running around and plugging into random computer terminals. Do we now?
Command, this is Delta. Are you getting this?
I see it, Phoenix. But we're not pulling up anything on it. It's like it doesn't exist. Off the record, you are completely in confidential territory now. Your guess is as good as mine.
Roger that. Delta out.
Screwed.
Jack, plug in and see what you can find. Maybe one of these terminals will have some intel on this place. And where the hell we can find the Locust stronghold.
I should warn you, these are state-of-the-art security systems that simply cannot be breached by...
Keep at it, Jack. Gotta get that info.